Good day, everyone. Pull up a chair, grab something warm to drink, and let's have a proper, honest conversation today. I came across a perspective recently that completely stopped me in my tracks, and I knew I had to bring this to my logs. It goes like this: if you could erase all the mistakes of your past, you would also erase all wisdom of the present. Remember the lesson, not the disappointment. That hits incredibly deep, doesn't it? As humans, we have this built-in habit of playing a dangerous game of what if. We sit quietly when the day finally winds down, the house goes still, and we start trying to erase our own history. We think about that one specific career path that turned out to be a dead end, that financial gamble that cost us our peace of mind. We carry those old moments like a heavy weight, wishing we could just reach into our timelines with a massive eraser and scrub those pages completely clean. We look back at those chapters with a lingering sense of shame, wishing they never actually happened. Coffee's great. But here's the radical truth we have to face if we want to live with any real peace. If you actually possessed an eraser that could wipe away every single stumble, every bad choice, and every painful season, you wouldn't just be erasing the disappointment. You'd be completely erasing the depth, the strength, and the true wisdom of the person sitting right here watching this video. Think about the moments in your life where you actually grew up, uh, that you learn your deepest values when everything was running perfectly smooth, that you discover your true resilience when your professional life was just a continuous string of easy wins, or when your bank account was overflowing with money, and perhaps every relationship was just effortless. Think about that for a moment. No, no, I don't think so. We don't build character on smooth seas. We build it when the storm hits, when the water is rushing over the deck, and we are forced to dig deep to keep the ship from sinking. The moments that broke you are the exact moments that built you. The brutal career setback you endured, think about that one. That is exactly what taught you how to read a room, see through the noise, and protect your integrity. That massive financial blind spot that kept you awake 2 o'clock in the morning, that is the exact reason you handle your security, your family's stability with such careful respect today. Wisdom is an incredibly expensive asset. Currency of wisdom is mistakes. It is paid for in sleepless nights and hurt in pride. Think about it like this. If you erase the mistake, you completely destroy the map that got you out of the woods in the first place. So why, why do we keep punishing ourselves for the price of our own education? We focus entirely on the string of the disappointment, the embarrassment, the losses, the judgment of others. That's a big one. Judgment of others. We completely miss the jewel that was left behind in the ashes of that fire. Moving forward requires a deliberate shift in your focus. You have to learn the art of separating the lesson from the disappointment. That the disappointment is just the packaging. It's the raw emotion, the hurt ego, the temporary failure. It has an expiration date. Expiring date? Yeah, expiring date. And it is meant to be felt, processed, and left behind in the dirt. The lesson, however, belongs to you permanently. The lesson is the golden nugget of truth that got you to carry forward, to protect your peace, guide your career, and pass down as a legacy to your children so they don't have to bleed the way you did. It was good coffee. Anyway, when you look back at the dark chapter in your timeline, stop looking at how hard you hit the ground. Start looking at the fact that you got back up, dusted yourself off, and kept moving forward. Let go of the impossible wish for a flawless past. Be deeply grateful for the stumbles because they gave you the exact eyes you see through today. If this log found you at a time when you are drowning in an old regret, perhaps, take a deep breath, have a cup of coffee, and let it go. Remember the lesson, leave the disappointment behind, and focus on the future. Build a future. Leave the past where it is. Thanks for sitting with me today, guys, having a cup of coffee. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, keep it real, keep it raw, keep it authentic, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Lekker bly, guys. Cheers.